The barb stitch is highly decorative and is perfect for crazy quilting and borders and edges. You will work 2 rows of blanket stitches mirroring each other with the horizontal stitches in the center. So start with marking 3 lines. Work the first row of the blanket stitch between an outer line and the center line. Place the stitch as close as you want or as far as you want. You can also vary the lengths of the vertical stitches. Once you are done with the first row, turn your hoop around and work on the next row. What you have to pay attention to is to mirror the stitches, so the vertical stitches will fall under the earlier one made. While I make the stitches touch each other in the center, it is not absolutely necessary, so you can leave a wee bit of a gap if that is easier for you to make both the rows without a hassle. Now, once both the rows are done, you will see that the horizontal stitches in the center can do with some finishing. That is what the whipping will do. So bring out a thread of another color from one end of the row and start whipping in one direction under both the stitches to tighten them in the center. Now suddenly it is decorative. I hope you liked this video. Share this video if you have. Support us by becoming our patron or buying one of our ebooks. Find the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching.